Hello, in front of me I have Honor Magic V6, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate the random IMEI number of your phone. Okay, but first on our page we need to enter our true IMEI number. To check it, open up your phone app and type this code *#06 and hashtag. Now we have our IMEI and we gotta enter it on the page. And then click on check IMEI. As you can see, our device has appeared. Now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks. In here, all you gotta do is to click on random IMEI generator and then click on generate random IMEI. And as you can see, now we have 10 random IMEI numbers. We can copy each IMEI separately, but if you're interested, you can of course copy all of them by clicking the button copy all IMEIs. And then if you want to paste them, simply click Ctrl+V. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.